Good evening.
Good evening.
The question is, what role did your family play with you as candidate to Binibining Pilipinas?
Well, my family's role for me
What?
is so important because they was the one who's very oh, I'm so sorry. My family.
Oh no!
My family. Oh my God. Okay. I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident. Eto, wait. Sorry guys, because this was really my first pageant ever. Because I'm only 17 years old. And